What is your answer?
Say 0.6
0 0.6.
meters.
Okay, that is correct. 0 0.6.
SFT?
Okay, let's do a calculation in the other tube. See, give me a second. I'm still finding the tube. Okay. Okay. Here you have actually those are easy. You can easily find the answers for this one. Okay. Then shall I move to the next theory part?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Write the topic. Screw meter. Sorry, micrometer screw gauge. Micrometer screw gauge. Micrometer screw gauge. Finish writing.
Finish writing, sir.
Okay. Then uh, I need to. You need to draw this figure. Can you draw that one? Will it take a lot of time? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can hear.
Okay. Then can you keep some space for drawing this on at home? Otherwise, it will take a lot of time. That's I guess.
Okay, sir.
Then shall we move directly to the part and the functions? They write the topic parts and the function of micrometer screw gauge. Parts and the function of micrometer screw gauge.
Done, sir.
Okay. First one is anvil. Anvil. This is the anvil. The object should be placed in between this anvil and the spindle. Understood? Object should be placed in between this anvil and the spindle. This anvil part is stationed. That means it is not movable, but this spindle part is movable. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First one is anvil. Anvil. Write the function of the anvil. This is non-movable. This is non-movable and this is non-movable. Okay. Then the next point, this is non-movable, and the next point, anvil and the spindle, anvil and the spindle, anvil and the spindle, both can hold an object. Anvil and the spindle both can hold an object. Both can hold
Sorry,
an
sir.
object. Sorry?
Can you repeat the sentence again? Second sentence.
Wait.
Anvil and the spindle.
Okay. Anvil and the spindle both can hold an object. Both can hold an object. Both can hold an object.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then that's all about anvil. Then the second one is spindle. 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 Okay.
Oh, done, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
This part is known as the thimble. Okay. This part is known as the thimble. This is rotatable. This is rotatable. When this is rotated to the right side, when this is rotated, actually not to right side, to clockwise. Okay. When this is rotated to the clockwise, this spindle moves inwards. Spindle move inwards or towards the anvil. Understood? When this is rotated clockwise, spindle moves towards the anvil, and this is moved anti-clockwise. This is moved anti-clockwise. Spindle move in outwards. Understood?
Sir, does it mean that it is coming closer to the anvil?
Yeah. This can be closer, or this can be moved closer to the anvil. When we
Okay, sir.
are getting the errors, okay, when we are getting the errors, same like in the vernier caliper, we have to touch this spindle with this anvil. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then right under the spindle, this is movable. Understand? This is movable. This is movable. This is movable. This is movable. When the thimble is rotated clockwise, 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 spindle, spindle, spindle move towards the anvil. Spindle move towards the anvil. Spindle move towards the anvil.
Done, sir.
Finish. Okay. Then right. Anvil and the spindle both can. Anvil and the spindle both can. Anvil and the spindle both can.
The second sentence, right?
Yeah, the
And the
second one.
spindle?
Yeah, second sentence. Anvil and the spindle both can. Both can hold an object. Hold an object. Hold an object. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then write the next part. Thimble. Thimble. Next part. Thimble. Finish. Thimble. This is just a rotatable part. Okay. This is just a rotatable part. When this is rotated, this spindle moves with uh, disappearing and appearing the main scale. That means when this symbol is moving, when this symbol is moving, all this part is movable. All this part also moves. All this part also moves. I will then you can clearly identify it later. For just now, understand spindle and the main scale is moving with the thimble. That's all. Okay. Shall we write?
Yes.
Okay. Then write. With the rotating of thimble, 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 spindle, 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 and the main scale, spindle and the main scale, spindle and the main scale also moves. Spindle and the main scale also moves. Finish?
Yes, sir, finish.
Okay. Then write the next part, ratchet, ratchet, ratchet. This ratchet part also a movable part just like thimble, but there is a special function of this ratchet part. That mean this helps to this helps to exert the precise pressure on the object what we are going to measure. Understood? If you if you exert if you exert over pressure, that means the object can be deformed and the reading is not correct. Understood? To avoid from that one, we can use this ratchet mechanism. We can use this ratchet mechanism. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. This also movable. Sorry, this also rotatable, not movable. This also rotatable. This also rotatable. This also rotatable. This also rotatable. This mechanism can, this mechanism can, this mechanism can, this mechanism can exert the, this mechanism can exert the right pressure on the object, right pressure on the object, right pressure on the object, right pressure on the object to avoid from, to avoid from, to avoid from deformations on the, to avoid from deformations in the object, to avoid from deformations in the object. Finish writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then ratchet, okay. Okay. Linear scale. Linear scale. Write the next one, linear scale or the main scale. Linear scale or the main scale. Main scale. Write this both terms. Linear scale or the main scale. Write the both term.
Done, sir.
Okay. Linear scale or the main scale. Just like in the vernier caliper. Okay. Just like in the vernier caliper main scale. Okay. It is graduated in millimeters or centimeters. That's all. Wait. It is usually graduated in millimeters in here. Okay. Millimeters because we are going to measure very tiny length. Very tiny length by using the micrometer screw gauge. Probably lesser than 1 centimeter. Probably lesser than. No, actually, no. There are some extended versions. Centimeter also can be found in there. Usually in centimeters and millimeters. If I tell it is only in millimeter, that is wrong. Yeah, that is wrong. That is graduated in millimeters and centimeters. So, write that down. This is graduated in millimeters and centimeters. This is graduated in millimeters and centimeters. This is graduated in millimeters and centimeters. This is graduated in millimeters and centimeters.
Done, sir.
Okay. Then this is the circular scale. This is the circular scale. Usually, actually, this is like the vernier scale. Okay. This is just like the vernier scale. But remember, vernier scale and the circular scale are both two technologies actually. In this instrument, there is no any vernier scale. This can be checked for MCQs, okay? MCQs. This is not a kind of vernier scale, but it is similar. But not same, but similar. Okay. Usually, this circular scale is graduated for 50 parts. That means that means this is a circle and this circle has been divided into similar 50 parts. That's all. Understood? Most of the time 50 parts, but there can be 100 parts also. Understood or not?
Yes, sir. So here is it 100 parts because 75 can be
Yeah.
seen.
Here it is 100 part. But most of the time, that means for our LL paper, 50 parts instruments are given. Most of the time, 50 parts instruments are given. Okay, then write.
Okay.
For the circular scale, for the circular scale, for the circular scale, for the circular scale, for the circular scale,
Okay, sir.
50 parts are graduated. 50 parts are graduated. 50 parts are graduated. In the most cases, or in the most instruments, 50 parts are graduated in the most instrument. Most instrument. But in some instrument, but in some instrument, but in some instrument, 100 parts are there. But in some instrument, 100 circular parts are there. 100 circular parts are there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then lock is next one in the lock. Lock. Next one is the lock. Lock. Lock means this is act as a lock. Okay. Uh, until you get the reading, the anvil and the spindle can be locked by this lock. Understood? Anvil and the spindle can be locked by this lock. Usual lock is placed in here. Just like in the vernier caliper. Understood?
So isn't it here?
Sorry? Yeah. This one?
When the lock is
This one?
so, this is the lock, right? The near the spindle part?
Near this middle part? No. Usually lock is in here. Okay, I will show you in a figure. Okay, give me some second. I will show you in figure. Then write the function. Function. By using the lock mechanism. By using the lock mechanism. By using the lock mechanism. The anvil and the spindle can be locked.
That's it.
Okay. I am finding the lock mechanism. Wait. I found a picture, but it is same as the picture in the tooth. Here the lock mechanism is in here, as you said, but in this one, can you see? Lock nut is in here. Can you see this one?
Yes.
Then write the last one. C frame. Last one, C frame. Actually, there is no special function in the C frame, but this C frame can hold all the parts of the micrometer screw gauge. Understood? This C frame can hold all the part of the micrometer screw gauge. Then write.
Here the U frame mentions. Is it the C frame?
Both are same. U frame and C frame are both are same. Because in this
Okay,
side it is U, but in this side it is C. That's why, okay? Both are same.
sir.
Okay. Then write. It holds all the parts of the micrometer screw gauge. It holds all the parts of the micrometer screw gauge.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay, our parts and the functions are finished. Then
Sir, can you share the worksheet on zero error part, sir?
worksheet. Wait, this one.
Yeah, sir.
What is the problem?
No, sir. To clarify more, some, sir,
Do
that's
you
why.
want to do some calculations?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Here, wait, wait, wait. This is zero error. This is zero error. Okay, then do this one. Hmm. Try to do this one. B1. One is coinciding.
Sir,
Take
no
this.
need now. I can do it at home also. It's okay.
Sorry.
I can do it at home also. It's okay, sir.
Okay, okay,
No need
okay.
to do now.
I have shared this one. Isn't it? I have shared all the cute, no? Do you want to share it again? Sorry?
No, sir. Shared in the group.
Okay, okay. Answers also here, but I'm not sure about these answers, okay?
Okay,
Then shall I wind out the class?
okay,
In
sir.
the next day, I will
Thank you,
finish
sir.
this lesson, and after the day after the next day, I will start the biology part. Okay, we can start the biology part. From the next day, we can close this lesson. Okay, then
Oh, okay.
try to do all the homework. If you need more homework, please let me know. I can share you some worksheet. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good night.
Bye, sir. Good night.